Essential antonyms and their corresponding opposite words. Part 5. Number 201. Mean, opposite words, kind, generous, compassionate, caring, considerate. Number 202. Messy, opposite words, neat, tidy, clean, organized, orderly. Number 203. Minor, opposite words, major, significant, important, main, primary. Number 204. Miserable, opposite words, happy, joyful, content, cheerful, elated. Number 205. Misfortune, opposite words, fortune, luck, success, prosperity, blessing. Number 206. Modern, opposite words, ancient, old, old-fashioned, antique, archaic. Number 207. Modify, opposite words, maintain, preserve, keep, retain, conserve. Number 208. Moist, opposite words, dry, arid, parched, dehydrated, droughty. Number 209. More, opposite words, less, fewer, reduced, decreased, limited. Number 210. Morning, opposite words, evening, night, dusk, twilight, sundown. Number 211. Narrow, opposite words, wide, broad, spacious, open, extensive. Number 212. Natural, opposite words, artificial, synthetic, man-made, fake, unnatural. Number 213. Near, opposite words, far, distant, remote, separate, isolated. Number 214. Necessary, opposite words, unnecessary, optional, superfluous, redundant, non-essential. Number 215. Negative, opposite words, positive, affirmative, constructive, optimistic, favorable. Number 216. Never, opposite words, always, forever, perpetually, continuously, constantly. Number 217. New, opposite words, old, ancient, used, worn, antique. Number 218. Noisy, opposite words, quiet, silent, calm, peaceful, serene. Number 219. Normal, opposite words, abnormal, unusual, extraordinary, uncommon, exceptional. Number 220. North, opposite words, south, southern, southward, southeast, southwest. Number 221. Notice, opposite words, ignore, overlook, disregard, neglect, miss. Number 222. Numerous, opposite words, few, scant, sparse, limited, insufficient. Number 223. Obedient, opposite words, disobedient, rebellious, defiant, unruly, insubordinate. Number 224. Obscure, opposite words, clear, obvious, evident, apparent, explicit. Number 225. Offer, opposite words, refuse, reject, decline, withhold, withdraw. Number 226. Old, opposite words, new, fresh, modern, young, recent. Number 227. Open, opposite words, closed, shut, sealed, locked, blocked. Number 228. Optimistic, opposite words, pessimistic, negative, hopeless, despairing, gloomy. Number 229. Ordinary, opposite words, extraordinary, special, unique, unusual, remarkable. Number 230. Out, opposite words, in, inside, within, indoors, enclosed. Number 231. Over, opposite words, under, below, beneath, subordinate, lower. Number 232. Pain, opposite words, pleasure, comfort, relief, joy, happiness. Number 233. Partial, opposite words, complete, whole, total, entire, full. Number 234. Passive, opposite words, active, energetic, dynamic, lively, enthusiastic. Number 235. Past, opposite words, future, upcoming, forthcoming, next, prospective. Number 236. Peace, opposite words, war, conflict, dispute, battle, hostility. Number 237. Permit, opposite words, forbid, prohibit, disallow, deny, restrict. Number 238. Permanent, opposite words, temporary, transient, fleeting, brief, short term. Number 239. Plentiful, opposite words, scarce, rare, limited, insufficient, scant. Number 240. Polite, opposite words, rude, impolite, discourteous, abrupt, unmannerly. Number 241. Poor, opposite words, rich, wealthy, affluent, prosperous, abundant. Number 242. Positive, opposite words, negative, pessimistic, gloomy, cynical, hopeless. Number 243. Powerful, opposite words, weak, powerless, feeble, ineffective, impotent. Number 244. Praise, opposite words, criticize, blame, condemn, scold, reprimand. Number 245. Pretty, opposite words, ugly, unattractive, plain, hideous, unappealing. Number 246. Private, opposite words, public, common, shared, communal, open. Number 247. Protect, opposite words, harm, endanger, injure, expose, damage. Number 248. Proud, opposite words, humble, modest, unassuming, meek, submissive. Number 249. Punish, opposite words, reward, praise, commend, encourage, forgive. Number 250. Push, opposite words, pull, drag, haul, yank, draw. Number 251. Qualified, opposite words, unqualified, ineligible, unsuitable, incompetent, incapable. Number 252. Quick, opposite words, slow, sluggish, delayed, leisurely, unhurried. Number 253. Quiet, opposite words, noisy, loud, boisterous, rowdy, clamorous. Number 254. Raise, opposite words, lower, drop, decrease, diminish, reduce. Number 255. Rapid, opposite words, slow, sluggish, gradual, leisurely, unhurried. Number 256. Rare, opposite words, common, frequent, usual, regular, ordinary. Number 257. Raw, opposite words, cooked, prepared, processed, treated, done. Number 258. Real, opposite words, fake, unreal, artificial, false, imitation. Number 259. Reduce, opposite words, increase, raise, expand, enhance, augment. Number 260. Refuse, opposite words, accept, approve, consent, permit, agree. Number 261. Regular, opposite words, irregular, unusual, abnormal, sporadic, infrequent. Number 262. Release, opposite words, capture, detain, imprison, confine, hold. Number 263. Relevant, opposite words, irrelevant, unrelated, unimportant, insignificant, immaterial. Number 264. Relieve, opposite words, aggravate, worsen, intensify, exacerbate, annoy. Number 265. Remain, opposite words, leave, depart, go, exit, move. Number 266. Remember, opposite words, forget, overlook, disregard, ignore, miss. Number 267. Repair, opposite words, damage, destroy, ruin, break, harm. Number 268. Respect, opposite words, disrespect, insult, mock, offend, belittle. Number 269. Rich, opposite words, poor, impoverished, needy, destitute, penniless. Number 270. Right, opposite words, wrong, incorrect, false, mistaken, inaccurate. Number 271. Rise, opposite words, fall, decline, drop, descend, plummet. Number 272. Rough, opposite words, smooth, gentle, soft, mild, delicate. Number 273. Rude, opposite words, polite, courteous, respectful, civil, mannerly. Number 274. Rural, opposite words, urban, city, metropolitan, suburban, cosmopolitan. Number 275. Sad, opposite words, happy, joyful, cheerful, elated, pleased. Number 276. Safe, opposite words, dangerous, risky, unsafe, hazardous, harmful. Number 277. Sane, opposite words, insane, crazy, mad, irrational, demented. Number 278. Satisfy, opposite words, dissatisfy, disappoint, displease, annoy, frustrate. Number 279. Save, opposite words, spend, waste, squander, consume, use. Number 280. Scarce, opposite words, plentiful, abundant, bountiful, copious, rich. Number 281. Scatter, opposite words, gather, collect, assemble, accumulate, group. Number 282. Secure, opposite words, insecure, unsafe, uncertain, vulnerable, risky. Number 283. Sell, opposite words, buy, purchase, acquire, obtain, get. Number 284. Separate, opposite words, join, unite, connect, combine, merge. Number 285. Serious, opposite words, trivial, frivolous, light-hearted, unimportant, playful. Number 286. Shallow, opposite words, deep, profound, bottomless, immense, extensive. Number 287. Sharp, opposite words, dull, blunt, rounded, smooth, mild. Number 288. Short, opposite words, long, extended, lengthy, prolonged, tall. Number 289. Shout, opposite words, whisper, murmur, mumble, speak softly, hush. Number 290. Shrink, opposite words, expand, grow, increase, enlarge, stretch. Number 291. Shut, opposite words, open, uncover, reveal, expose, unlock. Number 292. Sick, opposite words, healthy, well, fit, strong, robust. Number 293. Silent, opposite words, noisy, loud, boisterous, clamorous, rowdy. Number 294. Simple, opposite words, complex, complicated, intricate, elaborate, difficult. Number 295. Sink, opposite words, float, rise, ascend, levitate, surface. Number 296. Slim, opposite words, fat, obese, plump, stout, overweight. Number 297. Slow, opposite words, fast, quick, rapid, speedy, swift. Number 298. Small, opposite words, large, big, huge, enormous, gigantic. Number 299. Smooth, opposite words, rough, coarse, uneven, bumpy, jagged. Number 300. Soft, opposite words, hard, firm, stiff, rigid, solid.